have a car in here? Oh, I wish I could live your life. Just for one day.
Hello?
Wait, the Knox security company has refused to pay protection money. If you see their vans, hijack them and bring them to one of our garages.
Sounds good. I'll grab them if I see them. Where's this guy?
Hotshot's trying to kill me! He's crazy! He's...
Shit! Hello? Hello? Is anyone there?
Wait! Hello? Hello?
Can you tell me where you are?
Wait! He's dead! Ace is dead!
Look, I'm coming to get you, okay?
He ran us over in a Bachman!
Okay, look, I'm trying to find you. Hang on. You gotta...
I tried to help him, but he's not breathing. There's blood everywhere. We were in front. Ace was winning, At least he thought he was winning, oh. Hotshot was setting us up. He got alongside the back of the car, ran us into the railing, pushed us up against it. We flipped over it. The wheel went right into Ace's chest.
You'll be all right. Hang in there.
Yes.
Inspector? Hotshot killed Ace.
Damn it, Wei, we were supposed to catch them in the act.
Yeah, well, they acted too fast. I have an eyewitness statement and all the evidence you need to get this bag of shit off the streets.
I'll type out a warrant.
Don't bother, I have a better idea. I'll challenge him to a race, and once we're in it, I'll lead him right to you.
All right, but Wei, I want him alive.
All right, punk, let's race.
Sucker!
You gotta cheat to win?
It's not cheating if you win!
You know it's dangerous to drive and talk, right?
You suck! You know that? Hey, wait! You think you're good? Ace thought he was good too! They find all the pieces of him
Hotshot. Hey, say hi to the police for me.
We picked Hotshot up. Little punk never shuts up. You should have seen the look on his face when we charged him with murder. He'll get 20 years at least. Nobody pays much attention to those guys, but they kill or injure dozens of people a year. Possible to say how many lives you saved, but you really did a job on this one, Officer Shen.
Mrs. Chu. I was just stopping by to see if there was anything you needed. I know it's no consolation, but I gotta look at one of the gunmen from the wedding. Now, I will find him, and I'll make him tell me who's responsible.
唔使，你揾到佢，你帶佢嚟呢度，你拎佢俾我啊！
Ricky, it's Wei.
Shit, Wei. How you holding up?
I got a lot of loose ends to clean up. I need an outsider for a couple things. You got Johnny Ratface's number?
Johnny Ratface? Man, stay away from that lunatic. You give him a job, you're gonna have to steam clean your conscience when he's done. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know all about him. He's my man.
I guess you know what you're doing.
Hey, is this Johnny?
Yeah?
A friend sent me to you. Works with a lot of movie stars, know what I mean?
So?
So I got a problem. He said you could help me.
I'm busy.
Wait, please. Look, I trade diamonds. Down in Central, my partner took off with all our stock.
Got you, fucker.
Oh, you love it, baby, I promise.
Are you insane?
Think of all the money we'll make. This is our future, you and me.
Fuck you, asshole. I'm not taking off my clothes for you or anyone else. Asshole.
Come on, ladies. Move it along.
Move, bitch! What do you think this is?
打撚爆佢！仲有得靠樣揾食啊！你咁喐我一條毛，我保證你即刻冇命！好停！
同我懟冧佢！
你一定會後悔。 girls from the Bam Bam Club? Yeah, why? The one that wants to be an actress? 殺晒佢哋！你再唔放手就啦！你睇唔睇到啊？我要殺咗你！睇下你有冇命行出去。
Hey, you!
Don't let them get me! Help me! Shoot him! Get out of the way! Protect me! This guy's a psycho! 嗰邊啊，斬佢啊！嗰邊啊！$10,000 to anyone who kills him! Call the rest of the boys! I need them here now! See you later, motherfucker! What do you want?
A friend of mine wants to serve you some noodles.
What? You crazy? Look, man, I got powerful friends.
Yeah? Who would that be?
They're gonna kill you.
Tell me their names, so we can go see them right now. Look, what are the odds they're gonna even admit they even know you?
Fuck you, I'm not gonna tell you nothing.
You don't have to. Someone else will ask the question.
Well, fuck him too!
Johnny the Rat-Face. Meet Mrs. Chu. Winston's mother.
Osama! I don't know what this guy told you!
佢話俾我聽，Winston 死嗰日你就喺嗰度。
Fuck!
而家你話俾我聽，邊個叫你做啊？
I don't know what you're talking about, you crazy old bitch! Please!
喂，你而家應該走，亦走啦喂。
Wait! Don't leave me here! She's fucking crazy! Okay, I'll tell you anything you want to know! Just please, don't!
We gotta do something
Shut the
about
fuck
this,
up,
man.
Jackie! We gotta think!
You gotta think.
Shut up, both of you! Winston's gone. Right now, we gotta stick together.
We just can't let the 18K get away with this.
What makes you so sure it was 18K?
We all saw them! They were definitely 18K! Even stupid Jackie knows that!
You ever think maybe they were just trying to look like 18K? Look, we've had a few skirmishes with them lately, but nothing major. It doesn't make sense that they would do something this big.
Man, so who do you think it was?
I don't know, but I'm gonna find out. And who the fuck are you?
I'm here for Mr. Lee. I take it you've heard of Big Smile Lee.
He's another Sun On Yee boss, Red Pole, just like Winston.
Okay, what can we do for Mr. Lee?
He has decided that for the time being, you may continue your operations in this area. But the percentage previously paid to Winston will now go to Mr. Lee.
That's an interesting proposition. But I have a counteroffer from Mr. Lee. I'd appreciate if you relay this back to him word for word. Can you do that? You tell Mr. Lee that his people stay the fuck out of our territory, and in return, we'll let him live.
I don't think you'll find that offer to his liking.
I think you'll find that I don't give a fuck. You see our guest out, make sure he doesn't get lost.
You'll regret this. I promise you that.
Back off! I'll kill her, man!
Damn it! What? Jackie! Get the car! Get the car!
射死我仆街！ 一槍打撚爆佢個頭！
Shit, man, he's getting away. Come on, let's go.
Step on it!
Another one! Oh, guy, where the fuck do these guys keep coming from? Oh man, is Big Smile Lee cloning fucking gangsters or what? Yeah. Don't let him get away, man.
No way you get away clean, Ponytail! No way!
屌你有冇搞錯啊？邊位啊？哇好啊，得啊，
仲衰過我舊年買嗰對機。
Come on! Come on! Sir!
Ow, my toes! I just got a pedicure.
Move! Move! You're done. Are you done? I'm gonna break your face.
You want to stick pussy?
Tell your boss, stay the fuck out of my territory.
Fuck you, Wei. This isn't the end of this.
Damn it!
You can try, but we're gonna get you. Oh, you got the juke away.
Ah, shit. Just what I needed.
Get in! Get in!
What the hell? Who the fuck are you guys?
Change your tone, Shen. Miss Yang is a red pole, and she just saved your life.
Miss Jang? Broken Nose Jang? My apologies, Madame Red Pole. So why'd you bring me out here?
I have heard a lot about you, Wei Shen.
I will get to the point. You must realize that you cannot stand against Big Smile Lee alone.
That's what everyone tells me. Roland Ho said I'd need other bosses to support me.
Indeed. Nah, I believe in harmony, balance, peace, and I don't mind spilling a little blood to achieve it. With Uncle Po in the hospital, there's much uncertainty in the Sun On Yi. If he recovers, we will both be stable and strong.
But if he dies?
The 18K presents a very real threat. We cannot afford to appear weak. We will need to elect a new chairman quickly.
You, for instance.
Ah, Big Smile Lee represents a step backwards for the Sun On Yi. Why continue to force girls into prostitution and pornography when there are other, less archaic, more profitable ways for us to make money? I have very different ideas about our future. I want to take the Sun On Yi forward, but it would be unwise even for me to stand against Big Smile Lee unaided, which brings me to you. Nah, we both appear to have the same problem, Wei Shen, and the opportunity to benefit if we work together.
So it seems. I have my own reasons for hating Big Smile Lee's operation. Now, if you stand against him, you can count on me.
Good. We will talk soon. 早唞啦吓，Wei Shen.
I think we should start calling me Hand of Death.